In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create contract templates and clause library in Zoho Contracts. First, open your browser and search for Zoho. Sign into your account, and from the Zoho homepage, select Contracts from your list of apps. Once you're in, head to the Admin tab to access the configuration area. In the left panel, choose Contract Types. To add a new one, click New Contract Type. Provide the basic details such as the intent, the category, and the workflow. These choices determine how the contract routes for approval and how it's organized in reports, so pick the options your team already follows. Then click Next. You'll now choose how to build the template. If you create from scratch, you'll be taken to the Edit Template page with a clean canvas to build each part manually. This is ideal when you're standardizing language or building a format from the ground up. If you already have a document you like, select Upload Word Template and choose a .docx file. Zoho will convert it so you can continue editing directly in the platform. Next, build the content of the template. Use Add Intro Text for the opening section, typically your header, recitals, or background statements, and add ending text for the closing portion and signature area. For the main body, click Insert Clause to bring in approved provisions from your clause library. If a clause doesn't exist yet, you can add it on the fly. It will be saved to the library for reuse, keeping your language consistent across templates. In the ending text, use Insert Signatory block to add smart signature placeholders. These automatically populate signer names, roles, and dates when a contract is created, helping eliminate manual errors. When your template looks right, click Preview to check formatting, numbering, and field placement. If everything checks out, click Publish to make the template available when users create new contracts. A quick best practice is to use clear template names and categories so teammates can find and apply the correct version quickly. To keep your legal language consistent and negotiation ready, use the Clause Library. From the Admin tab, open Clause Library and click New Clause. Enter the standard language that your organization prefers. You can also add alternate languages to cover different negotiation positions, such as more protective or more flexible wording. Within the clause editor, use insert fields to drop in system fields like company names or effective dates so they autofill in live contracts. When you're satisfied, click Create. Maintaining this library will speed up drafting, streamline reviews, and ensure every contract reflects approved, up-to-date language.